Jai Sriman Lakshmana. Now we all came here, and this is the place Agastya Mahamuni showed. Whatever that he explained about, described about the place, that is where we reached. Yam Godavari Ramya. Lakshmana, look at that Godavari river. Such a beautiful place. This is all very pleasant place. Oh Lakshmana, idam punyam, idam medhyam. This is very sacred, very pure place. Iha vatsyama. Lakshmana, let us all live over here. Sardhame tena pakshina. Lakshmana, along with Jatayu, let us all stay over here. Like that, Ramachandra Swami said to Lakshmana. Lakshmana also felt so happy. Lakshmana is very smart, very efficient in implementing the works given by Sri Ramachandra Swami. So Lakshmana immediately Tatra Sankhata Murtikam. He started digging the land over there, and he started building the walls. Sustambham. He also put some pillars, wooden pillars. Askaraihi dirghaihi. He brought some beams, the wooden beams, and put it over there. Semi sakabhihi astirya. He brought some ropes. He started tying those beams to the pillars. Drudha pasava pasitam. He tightly tied all those ropes. Then kusa kasa saraihi parnaihi. He brought some grass and darbha, and then achadita. He covered all the roof with all this grass and everything. Then he also leveled the floor. Samikrutatalam. There should not be any kind of discomfort, ups and down in the ashram. That is why he leveled the floor. He did all of it. Nivasam Raghavasyardhe. For the sake of Sri Ramachandra Swami, he built that ashramam. And he also made sure Prekshaniyam Anuttamam, that ashramam should be looking very beautiful and very elegant. After he built that ashramam, Lakshmana Swami went to Godavari river, Snatva. He did shower. He has taken bath over there. And then Padmanicha Adaya Saphalaha Punaragataha. He collected some fruits and flowers for Ramachandra Swami and came back to Sri Rama and showing that ashramam to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Lakshmana built a beautiful ashramam and showed it to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Ramachandra Swami felt very happy and Parishvajya Bahubhyam Lakshmanam gave a very tight hug to Lakshmana Swami and saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, you have done such a wonderful job. I really like this ashramam. You did build very beautifully, very efficiently, Lakshmana. But there is nothing that I can give you in return other than giving you a hug. Atisnigdhancha gadhancha." While saying that, Ramachandra Swami, with so much of happiness and with so much of love and affection towards Lakshmana, gave a tight hug to Lakshmana and saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, Bhavagnena. Lakshmana, I know that you will read my mind and act according to that. I am really blessed to have you. Oh Lakshmana, Kritagnena. You know exactly what you are supposed to be doing. Oh Lakshmana, dharmajnena. You know your dharmam. What is dharmam? O Lakshmana, while having such a you like a great son, how anybody could say that our father is died? No, he is still on this earth enjoying that he has got son like you. Like that, Sri Ramachandra Swami appreciated Lakshmana's great qualities and efficient work. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.